The Gem Gems. Beach Day. What is the date today? It's July 20th. What day is it today? It's Monday. It's summer holiday. I'm so excited. Where is your favorite place? I like the mountains. Where is your favorite place? I like ice cream shops. Where is your favorite place? I like the beach. Let's go to the beach. When should we go? We should go next week. How should we go? We should go by train. Oh, I can't wait! How long should we stay? We should stay for 3 days. What should we bring? We should bring the bathing suits. Let's go! On the train. How is the weather? It's sunny and windy. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. What is he doing? He's sleeping. What is she doing? She's looking outside. What is the bird doing? He's listening to music. What are they doing? They are taking pictures of the tree. That one is very cute. This one is too scary. These are so angry. Those are beautiful. Look at those fish. Too cute, too small, too scary, very big, very dangerous, and super colorful. This one is too scary. What a big fish. It's too dangerous. Let's run away. We can swim fast. Don't look at me. Don't touch me. Don't eat me. Don't chase me. Go away. We don't like you. We don't have any money. We don't want to play with you. You are very, very scary. Andy is crying with the fish. Jenny is fighting with the fish. Kenny is playing with the fish. Who is crying? Andy is crying. Why? Because he is sad. Who is tired? Jenny is tired. Why? Because she was fighting. Who is surprised? Kenny is surprised. Why? Because Jenny is hurt and Andy is crying. Let's go home. I'm home. How was the beach? It was fun and scary. Andy washes his hands. Jenny goes to the bathroom. Kenny sings a song. We need our pajamas. We are so tired and dirty. Let's take a bath. What do you want to do tomorrow? I want to go to the beach again. Again? We should go to the mountains. I don't want to see scary fish again. No way. Say it and write it. I should. I shouldn't. Should I? Who is your favorite singer? Who is your favorite athlete? Who is your favorite comedian? Who is your favorite teacher? What is your favorite sushi? What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite character? What is your favorite song? What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite snack? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite ice cream? When is your favorite season? I like spring. I like summer. I like fall. I like winter. Where is your favorite place? Where is your favorite restaurant? What are you doing? What are they doing? I'm Ing. They're Ing. What is he doing? What is she doing? He's Ing. She's Ing. How do you go to? I go to by car, by bike, by bus, by train, by ferry. How many books do you have? I have 4 books. Whose pen is this? It's my pen. It's your pen. It's his pen. It's her pen. It's their pen. It's our pen. It's Yuko's pen. My mother always cooks dinner at home. Who, what, when, where, which, why, how, whose. Finds, catches, knows, sees, goes to, buys, makes, cooks, watches, uses, gets, talks about, reads, plays, studies, practices, meets, eats, touches, drinks. Who is he? He is Andy. He is 7 years old. He likes blocks. He sometimes watches movies after school. He always goes to the park. He doesn't study hard. He doesn't play the piano. What is he doing now? He is reading a toy magazine. Who is she? She is Jenny. She is 5 years old. She likes dolls. She sometimes draws pictures after school. She always goes to the park. She doesn't play video games. She can dance. She can't drive a car. What is she doing now? She is eating an ice cream. Who is he? He is Kenny. He is 3 years old. He likes balls and cars. He sometimes takes a nap after school. He always listens to music. He doesn't do homework. He doesn't cook. What is he doing now? He is sleeping. Words and phrases. Date, day, month, year, holiday, should, stay, bring, bathing suit, this week, next week, outside, take a picture, take a bath, this, that, these, those, hurt, too big, too small, favorite, fast, who, what, when, where, which, why, how, whose, because, today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, again, no way.